Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm standing right next to this brand new 2022 Scout 240 Dorado. I'm sitting on the outside of this boat here because I want to show you this awesome black gel coat with the two-tone they got going on this boat, and then your nice Scout line right there. And also as well, talk about this trailer that the boat's under. So this is a package with this trailer, nice aluminum I-beam trailer. You have some nice upgraded two-tone rims. Really goes along with the flow of the boat. It looks great sitting on here. And this boat does have a hard top. Got a nice swim platform back here. And I'll bring you up in a minute to check the inside. But first I just wanted to point out this faux teak. It looks really good on this boat with this gray color. That's really matching well with the black boat, the black engine, and the silver on the engine as well. So we'll hop up inside and we'll show you the inside of it, alright? Alright, so now we're up here in the cockpit of this 240 Dorado. As you can see, I'm sitting in here with it kind of set up for your lounging, your sandbar, your cruising setup here. You got all the stern seat, and you got your port side seat both folded out, as well as this convertible seat here facing in the position where you'd be facing aft. Now, what's great about this Dorado, it's really a dual purpose boat. So when I want to go fishing, it's this easy. Fold this seat away, fold that seat away, and boom, you have a huge area here for this size boat to fish off of. Rod holders across the back. You do have a live well right here, and you do on this boat, we did get the option with the ski tow bar. Now, this boat is also equipped with a 300 Mercury Dorado. Great package for this boat. Really runs well with it. Now, moving up here, go under this nice fiberglass hardtop on this boat. You don't see many boats in the 24-foot class with a hardtop like this. Now here on the starboard side, you do have a little galley area, nice little sink, wash your hands, you know, if you got salt on them or anything before you're rummaging around in your cooler. Got a nice little cutting board area, cut some limes up while you're hanging out at the sandbar, make some drinks, and then a nice pull-out Yeti cooler there. It's a great spot for either some sandwiches or your beverages. Now on this convertible seat here, I'll move it into the seat forward position. So if you're running and you wanted to join the conversation or look forward, you put it that way. And as well underneath this seat, you have a nice insulated cooler, and that will drain out. So just load that sucker up with ice and drinks. As well on this port side here, this table, this actually folds up here and will create a table when this chair's swiveled out of the way. Now this chair can swivel, so you can be facing back as well as facing forward while you're running. Both the port and starboard helm seats do have flip-up bolsters, which is nice. So this way you can sit up a little higher if you want to get a better view or just want some wind in your face. Now in the floor here, in the cockpit of this boat, we have a nice sized area to store some stuff down there. It's also where your batteries will go. Keep them out of the bilge area. Now up at the helm here, we do have a nice glass dash, very smooth, sleek looking dashboard here. You got your Garmin display, nice little glove compartment, throw your phone in there, keep it charged, keep it out of the elements, your trim tabs, and some of your switching, as well as your Mercury display. So this will display your engine data, and you have your Fusion stereo here and tilt steering wheel. Now one thing I'll point out as I move forward through this nice windshield here, this is all molded fiberglass. There's no one else in the business that does anything like this. So this is a molded fiberglass on a 24-foot boat frame for the windshield. Looks really good. And with that, you also have a head on this port side with a separate holding tank. And then you have a wind door here, and underneath the wind door, you have access to the back of your dash for some breakers, switching, and a ton of storage space. Now, what's great about this windshield, close this sucker, and you're really out of the elements for those late fall days or those early spring days where you want to stay a little warmer out there on the water and extend your season. Now up here in the bow, you do have some nice bow seating. It's pretty deep as well. So when you're sitting up here, you're really secured inside this boat, and you do have some nice stainless steel grab rails to hold on for safety and some flip down armrests. So well under these seats, you do have some more insulated boxes. So you can load this up with ice, you can use it as fish boxes, what have you. It'll drain out and they're insulated. Now, as well up here is your anchor locker. So when you get your new boat from MarineMax, we'll have a nice anchor in there for you with some anchor chain and line. Got some cup holders up here as well, so really good for entertaining. And these are actually cup holder, rod holder combos, so you can fish off the bow. And there's pop-up cleats all around. So again, guys, this has been Lars Pearson here on this brand new 2022 240 Dorado from Scout Boats. If you have interest in this boat or any other boat here, give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thank you and have a good day.